Today let's start with chapter number 10, matter and its form. So, what is matter? Anything that occupies space and has mass. So, we already know that things given to us by nature is called natural thing, like air, water, soil, plants. These are natural things, and the things that are created by human, they are man-made, like paper, furniture, and houses. So, human beings take different material from nature to make very useful things. Like we have paper from trees, clothes from cotton, jute and silk from fiber, houses from mud, sand, stone, and mud. Let's study about the properties of material. Different types of material have their own special property. Some are hard, other are soft, some are rough, some are smooth, and some are solid, while other are flexible. So we can say that there's one common property, they occupy space. A glass of water cannot hold any more water because it is already full. We cannot blow more air in an already full barrel. वो क्या होगा, बस्ट हो जाएगा. प्लास्टिक भी मैन मेड है. लेट्स स्टडी अबाउट द फॉर्म ऑफ मैटर, सॉलिड, लिक्विड, गैस. भाई आपका स्टोन सॉलिड, बॉटल लिक्विड, बैलून गैस. सॉलिड डेफिनेट शेप होती है, इसको हम सॉलिड कहते हैं. दे डू नॉट चेंज देयर शेप व्हेन मूव टू अनदर. दे डू नॉट फ्लो बाय देमसेल्फ, दे कैन नॉट बी पोर्ड इनटू कंटेनर. आप उनको कंटेनर में भी पोर नहीं कर सकते. इफ वी टॉक अबाउट लिक्विड, डू नॉट हैव एनी डेफिनेट शेप, कैन बी प्योर्ड इन अ कंटेनर. वो क्या करते हैं, कंटेनर की शेप लेते हैं. लिक्विड फ्लो बाय देमसेल्फ लाइक वाटर, milk, juice, oil, petrol, honey. They all are commonly. Oxygen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide, they are the main gases. Now gases do not have shape of their own. They take the shape of container. जिसमें उनको हम क्या करते हैं, कोड करते हैं. They are light in weight. Weight में थोड़े light होते हैं. Is a mixture. We can say balloon, parachute, kettle, gas cylinder. These all are. Now changing form. We have different forms. The process in which solid changes into liquid. जब सॉलिड लिक्विड में चेंज हो जाता है तो उसे कहते हैं मेल्टिंग और हीटिंग. द प्रोसेस विच सॉलिड टर्न्स इनटू लिक्विड ऑन हीटिंग, इसको हम क्या कहते हैं, मेल्टिंग. द प्रोसेस इन विच लिक्विड टर्न इनटू सॉलिड ऑन कूलिंग, इट इज कॉल्ड फ्रीजिंग. हमने क्या करा, पानी को लिया रेफ्रिजरेटर में रख दिया तो फ्रीज हो जाता, आइस बन जाता. द प्रोसेस इन विच लिक्विड टर्न्स इनटू गैस, इवोपरेशन. आप पानी को बॉईल करें तो क्या होता है, इवोपरेशन. Then we have condensation, the process in which what happens, gas turns into liquid on Fuji. उसे हम क्या कहते हैं, condensation. So we see that the three states of matter, solid, liquid, gas, can change from one state to another by heating or by cooling. Right? This is all about in this chapter. Now let's move to the exercise. First is take the all types of material occupy weight, space and volume. Space. They have definite shape. किनकी होती है, liquid. They can flow on their own, both liquid as well as gas. Air is a mixture of gases, right? Dash flow in all direction very easily. Liquids. Fill in the blanks. Things given by nature are natural thing. जो भी nature ने दिया वो क्या है, natural thing. Right? Next is one common property of all material. It occupies space. Solid have definite shape. Material exists in dash different forms, 3 different forms. Solid, liquid and gas. Air is dash of many gases, mixture. Now write T for true and F for false statement. Liquid and gas have definite shape. False. The 3 states of matter can be changed by heating or cooling. It's true. Solid cannot flow. It's true. Gas turning to liquid by condensation. It's true. Now, which form does the following material exist? Petrol, liquid, cooking oil, liquid, candle, solid, chalk, solid, hydrogen, gas, oxygen is also gas. Name the natural things in which of the following are made. Name the natural material from which the following things are made. Tire, rubber, sweater, wool, coin, metal, cupboards, igloo, cloth, nuts. Now answer the following question. What is the common property of all materials? आपको सारे materials solid, liquid, gas की common property लिखी. How are solid different from liquid? इनकी definite shape होती है, इनकी definite shape नहीं होती. ये flow नहीं करते, वो flow कर लेते हैं. How do materials change their forms? आपको बताना है. Now how are evaporation condition? दोनों different. ठीक है. जब water vapor में change होता है evaporation, जब water vapor water में change होते हैं तो condensation. How are natural things? आपको एक difference बताना है. Natural things और man-made things. Give to example. Solid that we eat. आपको examples देने हैं. Solids जो हम खाते हैं. Fruits हो गए. Vegetables. Liquids we drink. Milk. Water. Gas we breathe है. Out. Oxygen. Carbon dioxide. Solids which melts. Ice. Iron. Right? This is all about in this chapter. We have completed. Hope you understood. Now let's meet in the next class. That's all for today. Thank you.